Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss: the emergency response plan. This is information that could potentially save lives, so be sure to stick around till the end. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on crucial updates like this one. Let's jump right into it. Our emergency response plan is divided into several key sections. First up, we'll be talking about the types of emergency. Now, emergencies can come in many forms, from natural disasters to man-made incidents. It's crucial to know what you might face in your area. Let's break it down. Next, we'll explore the types of sirens. Sirens are the lifeline that can alert us during an emergency. Do you know the different siren signals and what they mean? Stick around to find out. Weekly testing plan. To ensure the sirens work flawlessly, we have a weekly testing plan in place. Regular checks are vital to guarantee they'll be there when we need them most. Emergency contact numbers. Equally important is having the right emergency contact numbers saved in your phone. We'll go through who to call when you need help. Location of assembly point. In case of an evacuation, knowing the location of the assembly point is crucial. This is where you and your loved ones can regroup and stay safe. Emergency evacuation procedure. Every emergency requires a specific emergency evacuation procedure. We'll go over the basics and help you understand the steps to stay safe during a crisis. Emergency drill schedule practice makes perfect. We have a detailed emergency drill schedule in place. These drills are a great way to ensure everyone knows what to do when it counts the most. Emergency reporting procedure. Lastly, we'll talk about the emergency reporting procedure. Knowing how to report an emergency is as important as knowing how to respond to one. Conclusion. So there you have it, our comprehensive emergency response plan. We hope this video has shed light on the critical aspects of emergency preparedness. Remember, being informed and ready can make all the difference in a crisis. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe for more life-saving content. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.